Hi. Today we will talk about the Skinny Cleanse. With the best reviews for you, we have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy Skinny Cleanse. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing Skinny Cleanse. The first thing you need to know about Skinny Cleanse is, be careful about the website you will buy Skinny Cleanse, because Skinny Cleanse is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So, what is Skinny Cleanse and does it really work? And the answer is yes, Skinny Cleanse works. Skinny Cleanse is a gentle, natural cleansing formula designed to help shed unwanted pounds, improve digestive function, and eliminate harmful toxins that can build up in the body. With a powerful blend of natural ingredients, including psyllium husk, flaxseed powder, and konjac, glucomannan powder, you can enjoy the benefits of increased fiber intake, increased satiety, and reduced overall calorie intake. In addition to promoting healthy weight loss, BeVital Skinny Cleanse also aids in digestive health by breaking down food and toxins in the digestive tract and promoting regular bowel movements. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Skinny Cleanse, including on the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used Skinny Cleanse, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that every body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I am telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and your expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test Skinny Cleanse during 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they give you your money back. So be safe to use the Skinny Cleanse, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for Skinny Cleanse to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. Just take 2 capsules a day, every day, otherwise you won't see great results and you'll be really a bit frustrated. Also important for you to know, Skinny Cleanse has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy Skinny Cleanse, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that Skinny Cleanse really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.